What's going on, guys? My name is Chris from Fully Remote Lifestyle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you're going to be able to clean out your dryer vent to prevent a house fire. Now, the tools that we're going to need today is a drill and a clean out kit that you could purchase directly in the descriptions below. Now, the tools that we're going to be using today is a regular drill and a clean out kit for a dryer vent. Now, if you don't have this kit, I recommend you purchasing it because it is extremely important to clean out your dryer vents every 3 to 6 months, depending on how often you use it. So let's dive in and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this. All right, so now what your kit should come with is 18 of these flexible rods that actually screw together. I'm going to show you how that's done. The brush that actually cleans your vent out, that this attaches onto. Again, I'm going to show you guys how this is done. And this is the piece that actually goes into your drill. So we're going to take our brush and we're going to hook it up to the first rod itself. So it comes with these little rubber things. You're just going to pop them off, very easy. So this side is threaded, and this is actually a female end, and this is the male end. So we're going to take the male end and just screw it on to the brush like that. Very easy. So now you have your one rod connected. So let's do a second one. So we're going to take off the rubber piece and we are going to screw it directly on. So I think you get the point on this. It's all depending on how long so it goes so on and so on. So you probably won't even need to use all these. They just give you extra because every house is different and the ductwork is different. So depending on where your dryer is in your house is going to be the determining factor of how many of these that you're actually going to need. Now, trick of the trade, you want to lay that down so you have something to rest on with your knee so you're not scraping your knee up. All right, so let's get into this vent. So as you see, there should be a little cap that needs to just be pulled out. Some of you might have a screen here. It's a plastic piece that just pulls directly out. It's easy to remove. So once you go ahead and remove that, once you do remove that, I'm going to show you how we're going to get this started inside. So there's a little flapper right there. We're going to lift that up with our index finger and we're just going to start to feed the brush directly in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to actually make this bigger, and I'm going to go in as far as I can. Once I can't go in anymore, I'm going to hook my drill up and then I'm going to start pulling all the stuff out. All right, so what's happening is it feels like I'm hitting something, so I feel like I need to hook my drill up to get by whatever it might be, or I might be at the end of where I can go. So I'm going to hook the drill up and I'm going to show you guys how this works now. So this is exactly what the piece looks like. We're going to hook it right onto the rod. Very simple. Now we're going to hook it directly onto the drill. Now what I'm going to do is, when I have this on, it's going to take the brush and it's going to continuously spin, and hopefully all that stuff is going to come out here and get out of my vent. Oh, so did you see all that? So now that's about how much I've used so far. So we're going to go back inside. I would recommend doing this a couple times. Okay, so here we are. I made it further, so I'm going to take this off again. And I'm going to continuously feed the extra rods. All right, so here we go. All right, so it looks like I'm inside of the house, right under my dryer. My dryer isn't too far into the house from here. So what I'm going to start doing, I'm going to start pulling everything this way. As you see, look at all that. Like, that was all in my vent, just sitting there. And this was done 3 months ago. So this is the reason for house fires you really want to be on top of. We're just going to stick this back inside just to make sure we got it all. All right, so this is everything that literally fell out of the vent. I mean, anything like this is very flammable, very important for you to clean out your dryer vent. I mean, look, it literally took maybe 5 minutes to do. And how important and critical this actually is for the safety of you and your family. This step can literally prevent you a house fire. All right, so now this was a super simple thing for you guys to do. And this is very critical for you to use every 3 to 6 months, depending on how much you use your dryer. And it's super simple to take an extra safety measure for the safety of your children in your house, or even you or loved ones. Like I say, guys, if you want to get this dryer kit, check it out in the description below. And do yourself a favor, prevent yourself a house fire. Again, guys, my name is Chris. Thank you for watching. This was Fully Remote Lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I come out with daily tips of DIYs, how to do home repairs, and reviews on products that you use at home. Thanks for watching.